Saving seeds is one of the easiest ways to save money in your garden. I've got this herb bed here. It's got some rosemary and thyme and parsley in it. And they're still thriving. We've had 3 or 4 freezes already, and the basil I had in this bed is long since dead. I'm going to try something today I've never done before in saving these seeds, see if I can get a little better results. Stick with me and let's see if we can get it done. Oh, Charlie. You can see the basil is dried on the plant. There's shadows there. But this is really dried up. So what I did here is I just got this white bucket and I got some screen, the soft mesh type. And I decided I'm going to try to bungee this on here and use it as a screen for my seeds. My idea is to take my seeds and throw them on here and squeeze them through the mesh. Let's see how it works. First time for everything. All right, I'm just gonna take some of these off of the stem and rub them in my hands, and you can see the seeds dropping out, and there's a little bit of a breeze, so a lot of the chaff is blowing away. I noticed that some of these seeds are a little big to fall through the screen, so I'm just going to help them a little bit here. And I have so many seeds, it doesn't matter if some of them don't make it. You could go ahead and save it just like this if you wanted to. I did it. This is what I've done in the past. And it just takes up a little more room and um, just more bulk. But this way, you get so many seeds with a basil plant that if you don't get all of it, it's okay. And so far, it looks like it's just collecting seeds. Oh, let's keep doing this, and I'll see how many I collect. Oh, the seeds in there. All right, let's look and see what we got here. That's what we have. There's a little bit of chaff in there and stuff, but let's see if we can blow some of that off. And that was only about 10-15 minutes worth of gathering seeds there. There's a lot more where that came from. All right, you can see there's a breeze here today. It almost does it on its own. There's a lot of seeds there. Whoa, the wind did that mostly. Blew it right back in my face. Oh, I just lost some seeds there. Anyway, that's quite a few seeds. I would say that's probably 3 or 4 packets of seeds, 2 or 3 at least. And like I said, I only spent 10 minutes. So, uh, real easy way to save your seeds. So I told you I saved some seeds like this in the past. And times I've gone ahead and just put them in a baggie, and I'm gonna put the tag in there with it. But this was some I saved last year. But it's a little bulky, and I just thought it would be neat to try to make it look like the seeds you buy in the store. So I'm just going to use this packet that I bought from Amazon, and oh, I tore my packet. I'll get another one. Anyway, that's as simple as that. Why wouldn't you do it? So that was just some of the basil I saved. If I wanted to come back and get more, I've got that bunch. I've got that bunch on there. That's a lot there. And I have the 2 in this bed. So there's plenty more seeds to gather if I want to. But honestly, what I've already got was enough for a couple of years. So well, I hope you found that video helpful. It's a simple little task you can do in a few minutes, save you some money. Why not give it a try? If you like that video, stick around for the next one. I'm going to try doing something with that parsley and rosemary. So see you next time. Take care.